I am Luther Buchanan, representing the constituency of Eastern Westmoreland for the People's National Party. Presently, I am the Member of Parliament. I have served since the by-elections of 2006 to present. I live in the constituency. I've lived in the constituency all my life. I am very acquainted with the challenges of the constituency. That is why my focus is education, entrepreneurial training, skills training, and agricultural processing and development as the beginning of our advancement of the constituency of Eastern Westmoreland. It is my firm view that education is the only vehicle that will take us forward. Rural development is indeed a major plank of my focus going into the 21st century for my constituency. It is indeed of paramount importance that we regularize informal settlements, deal with agricultural lands, and differentiate between developmental lands in the town squares and agricultural lands, and that for housing development. The people of Eastern Westmoreland is accustomed to quality representation, and I pledge my endeavor best to provide quality representation and continue along the path that the people are accustomed to.